Ever feel like your money disappears before the month ends? Like you're drowning in bills and expenses, living paycheck to paycheck? Look, I get it. Most people struggle with managing their money. But what if I told you that you could achieve true financial freedom, that you could unlock a life where you're in control of your money, not the other way around? That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about budgeting, not the restrictive, boring kind, but a budgeting strategy that empowers you to make the most of your hard-earned cash. I'm going to break down exactly how to create a budget that not only works, but also helps you crush your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. We're talking about saving more, investing smarter, and achieving that financial peace of mind we all crave. So, if you're ready to transform your relationship with money and finally start building the financial future of your dreams, this video is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's be real. Nobody actually enjoys the word budget. It sounds restrictive, boring, and like it's sucking all the fun out of life. But here's the truth. A budget isn't about restricting your spending at all. It's about giving you the power to decide exactly where your money goes. It's about taking control of your finances instead of letting them control you. Think about it. When you don't have a budget, your money just vanishes. You spend here, you spend there, and at the end of the month, you're left wondering where it all went. But with a budget, every single dollar has a purpose. You decide how much you're going to spend on rent, on groceries, on going out, on investing, on everything. And let me tell you, that feeling of control, that feeling of knowing exactly where your money is going, it's incredibly empowering. It's like having a roadmap for your finances. You know where you are, where you're going, and how you're going to get there. No more financial anxiety, no more overdraft fees, no more feeling stressed about money. Instead, you'll have confidence, clarity, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in the driver's seat. A budget is the foundation of building wealth. So, let's ditch the negative connotations around budgeting and embrace it for what it truly is, the key to unlocking your financial freedom. All right, let's break it down into simple steps. Grab a notebook or use a budgeting app, because we're about to take control of your money. First things first, you need to know where your money is going right now. Track every dollar you spend for a month, whether it's your morning coffee or your rent payment. Categorize your spending: housing, transportation, food, entertainment, debt payments, etc. This gives you a crystal clear picture of your spending habits. Next up, it's time to calculate your income. Include your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of income. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income. This is crucial. It reveals whether you're living within your means or spending more than you earn. Now comes the fun part. Setting financial goals. Do you want to buy a house, pay off debt, retire early? Write down your goals and attach a realistic time frame to each one. Having clear goals motivates you to stick to your budget. Remember, pay yourself first by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each month. Finally, allocate funds for your wants: dining out, entertainment, travel, etc. This is where most people get tripped up. They create a budget, feel restricted, and then give up entirely. But listen, budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about being smart with your money so you can enjoy the things you love without the financial guilt trip. Here's the key. Build some flexibility into your budget. Don't make it so rigid that you feel like you can't breathe. Give yourself some fun money each month, money you can spend guilt-free on whatever you want. Look for ways to enjoy your current lifestyle for less. Instead of drastically cutting back on everything you enjoy, focus on making small, sustainable changes to your spending habits. And here's a pro tip. Track your progress and celebrate your wins. Seeing how much money you're saving and how much closer you're getting to your goals is incredibly motivating. And don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. All right, let's talk about some common budgeting pitfalls that can sabotage your success. First, underestimating your expenses. We tend to underestimate how much we spend on things like groceries, transportation, and those little impulse buys that add up over time. Solution? Track your spending meticulously for a month or two. See where your money is actually going and then budget accordingly. Next, not having a buffer for unexpected expenses. Life loves to throw curveballs. Car repairs, medical bills, you name it. Solution? Establish an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Another common mistake? Being too restrictive with your budget. Remember, your budget should be realistic and sustainable. If it's too restrictive, you're more likely to give up. Solution? Build in some flexibility and fun money. Allow yourself to enjoy life while still working towards your goals. Here's a big one. Not reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly. Your income and expenses can change over time, so your budget needs to adapt. Solution: review your budget monthly or quarterly. Make adjustments as needed to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools. Now let's talk about setting yourself up for long-term budgeting success. First and foremost, start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire financial life overnight. Begin by tracking your spending for a month. Identify 1 or 2 areas where you can cut back. Small changes lead to big results over time. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings and investment accounts each month so you don't even have to think about it. Another crucial tip: visualize your goals. Create a vision board with images of your financial aspirations. Seeing your goals every day keeps you motivated and focused. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and reward yourself when you reach a milestone, paying off a credit card, hitting a savings target, or sticking to your budget for a certain period. So there you have it, the secrets to mastering your monthly budget and taking control of your financial future. Remember, a budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. It empowers you to make conscious spending choices, prioritize your goals, and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about aligning your spending with your values and making your money work as hard as you do. Start small, be consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and that step is creating a budget that works for you. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest budgeting challenges? What strategies have worked for you? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and I'll see you in the next one.